If you want to add more lighting to your garage space while making it look really nice, you don't want some big light hanging down from the ceiling being so obtrusive. You want something nice and thin, like this slim LED that's going to go up into your ceiling and make your garage nice and bright. Then follow along in this video. I've got 6-inch LEDs and I'm going to be pulling those down and replacing it with the 12-inch. Let's go ahead and see what the 6-inch look like. We'll get these 12-inch put all in and see what the difference is. So currently there is 3 6-inch on each side of the garage. There's those 3 right there. I do have a garage door opener with a light on it as well. And then we have these 3 6-inch over here. And here's just a scan of the floor so you can see what kind of light is bouncing off the floor. Alright guys, I've got all 6 new lights put in. Took me about an hour and a half. And there's the other 3 lights on this side. And there you can see the brightness reflecting off the floor. Quite a bit more light. So if you're looking to brighten up the inside of your home or the garage, I highly recommend these 12-inch slim LED lights. They only stick out from the ceiling about an 1/8 inch. They look really modern and they're easy to install. I'll put a link in the description below. You can buy these off Amazon, have them show up at your doorstep in just 2 to 3 days. Thanks for watching.